Look how beautiful those colors are. I love the colors. This is my first time using it. So what looks really cool is that you can go as dramatic as you want or as natural as you want. I'm gonna go for a really natural look right now. So I'm gonna go for the light color here, and I'm just gonna swipe it across my eyelid. Same thing over here. And then I'm gonna use this really light color and put that in the corner just to help waken up my eye. And then up here, whatever's left on the brush is going up here. Now, I do have a choice for the crease, how dramatic I wanna go. I'm actually gonna go work out, so I'm not gonna get too dramatic, but I wanna see this gold. This looks really pretty. So let's put a little gold hint in there, a little shine, little sparkle. Nice. Okay, super cool. I think these colors look amazing. I'm really curious about this black, how dark it is. Yeah, that is a good black. So if you want to use the black as an eyeliner, you absolutely could. And even this dark color as a brow filler, that would be nice too. I don't have a small brush up here, otherwise I would use it for my brows. But I mean, I could use, let's see if I could gently powder my brows with this as well. But if you have a smaller brush, this would be perfect to use for your brows. Or if you have really dark brows, you could use the black color as well. Such an awesome eyeshadow palette. I like that it has the mirror as well. Really, really nice packaging with it. And the colors are beautiful. You can go really dramatic or really natural. And this, of course, is a nice natural look.